का शिकतेस?
आजच्या काळात स्वतःची सुरक्षा आम्ही स्वतः शिकतोय.
Excuse me.
What are you doing?
We are filling the beds with the compost. The compost is made by the dry leaves which fell from the tree in our school ground.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Till now what have you grown?
Till now we have grown cucumber, many vegetables and many medicinal plants like ashwagandha, okra and rosemary.
Excuse me. Oh wow, what is this?
This is a tea coaster. We have made it from molded clay and organic leaf prints.
काय मग कसं वाटतं ही ॲक्टिव्हिटी करून?
खूप छान आहे आणि इंटरेस्टिंग आहे.
तुम्ही एक्झॅक्टली काय काय शिकलात ही ॲक्टिव्हिटी करत असताना?
ही ॲक्टिव्हिटी खूप क्रिएटिव्ह आहे आणि ह्याच्यामध्ये पॅटर्न्स कसे करतात, मॅच कसं करायचं, कलर्स कुठे कुठे द्यायचे हे सगळं शिकतो.
Excuse me. What are you doing?
We are making art and art.
Are you enjoying?
Yes, we are enjoying.
Thank you. Excuse me. What is your favorite recipe?
My favorite recipe is chocolate balls and I have tried it at home. It was a good experience and I love this learning activity.
Recipe you have tried at your home?
I have tried all the recipes at home. My mother is so happy to see me in the kitchen and this is very good experience for me. How? Because I have learned to cook on my own.
What recipes you have tried at home?
Naan katai, chocolate balls, pound cake, atta biscuit or etc.
Thank you.
Thank you.